So back in the workshop once again, more updates on the Rx8, and today we have pulled the gearbox out to replace the clutch, which we actually fitted end of last year, or towards the end of last year. The clutch pedal is a bit too firm and a bit too stiff for street use and driving on the road. So we're pulling the clutch out and replacing it with hopefully an equivalent rated clutch, but with a softer pedal, if that makes sense. So yeah, we've gone ahead and pulled the gearbox out. The Rx8 gearbox is a very lightweight, well, as lightweight as a gearbox can be, I would say. And the clutch that was in there is a competition clutch, and it's got very little wear on it, so it will be for sale if anyone is interested. And the clutch we will be replacing it with is this Exedy Racing clutch. It is a single sports series. As you can see there, it's not that traditional paddle type. It's well, more like a traditional style clutch, but it will be more than capable of handling what we're going to throw at it. New slave cylinder, a new master cylinder, new Goodridge braided clutch line, and a new flywheel. And to go with the lightened flywheel, you need this counterbalance weight, apparently. So yeah, all new shiny parts, new release bearing as well to go on. So hopefully the plan is to get the clutch feeling as close to the stock feel as possible, but obviously being able to handle a bit more abuse than stock clutch, making it a bit more suitable for track work and fast road driving. So yeah, we're going to install that clutch now and we will show you it fitted in a minute. Yeah. Got to be close now. Let's try and do that. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So got the new flywheel installed, Exedy lightweight and flywheel, lightweight flywheel. There is also the balancer on there as well. Honestly, I don't quite know how much weight has been saved, but that massive nut needs talking to between 290 and 360 foot-pound with this giant torque wrench here. I'm not going to lie, that was a bit of a struggle when I work out. We had to try and hold the flywheel, and then I literally used all my effort to torque it with the giant torque wrench and a 54mm socket. But yeah, flywheel is on now. Next we're going to get the clutch on, and then we'll fit the braided line, slave cylinder and master cylinder, and then we can put the box in and test it out. So we've all finished installing the flywheel and clutch. We've also fitted the slave cylinder and the braided line from Goodridge, as you can see now. Looking pretty. Next is to put the gearbox back in, fit the slave cylinder onto the gearbox. So we fit the master cylinder, not the slave, up the top. And then after that, I guess, just put the exhaust back on and the other parts. And I guess then we've got a 500 kilometre/mile bedding in process, according to Exedy manufacturer instructions. So ready for first startup and testing of the clutch. So that completes our day in the workshop on the Rx8. Short, sweet little video. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates on this Rx8 project, track/road car. Yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.